Buffalo Bills celebrate topping out of new Highmark Stadium. The Buffalo Bills and team owner Terry Pegula welcomed New York State Governor Kathy Hochul and other dignitaries to Western New York today to celebrate the topping out of new Highmark Stadium, scheduled to open in 2026. A topping out ceremony is a customary way to celebrate a significant milestone during the construction of a new building. Workers placed the last piece of structural steel atop the 156-foot-high stadium structure as part of the ceremony. The final beam was accented with an American flag, the New York State flag, and an evergreen tree, signifying good luck and prosperity for future building occupants. Before this morning's ceremony, hundreds of partners, employees, and stakeholders signed the final beam. A joint venture of Gilbane Building Company and Turner Construction Company provides construction management of more than 1,200 tradespersons on site daily, which will continue to climb into the summer. Construction at the site of new Highmark Stadium began with a ceremonial groundbreaking on Monday, June 5, 2023. The largest construction project in the history of Western New York is now over 50% complete, based on the volume of work in place. All precast stadia, seating bowl, are complete, and workers will begin seat installation later this spring.